Thank you very much. Now we will move on to the summary and the closing remarks. So very briefly to summarize, our speakers highlighted the importance of integrating innovations into existing systems, strengthening legal and institutional frameworks to build public trust, and ensuring that community voices, youth participation, and civil society oversight remain central to air quality governance. Okay, lastly, I would like to invite Professor Meng Fan, Deputy Director General of the Asia Center for Air Pollution Research and the Network Center for EANET, to deliver the closing remarks. Please welcome Professor Meng Fan.
Thank you very much. Actually, so I first of all, I'd like to thank all the speakers for excellent talk. I learned a lot and also get me exciting. And also, I'd like to thank all the audience for the discussion and for your contribution. So actually, yeah, there's a lot of activities happened in this region, and also even in this room, so many things happen. So I think, yeah, it's quite importantly, so many people, almost everybody, saying express their willingness for contribution and for sharing. So I just have a quick thought. So as my colleague Dr. Zhu mentioned, EANET, we are monitoring network. So we conduct voluntary conduct by the participating country. We have 60 stations. So we share the data. Actually, our station is under the consistent data control and procedure, technical procedure, interlaboratory. So already somebody mentioned that the high quality data is very important for the regulatory application. So it's, if you want to compile with a standard, if you check if the situation in one city is good or not, so you need a high quality data, not only a local sensor or satellite. So that is very important. And also the EANET, we are actually is sharing data sharing platform. So you can download our data. You can see our annual data report. Every year we have a data report. Every 5 years we have a regional assessment report for the region. So yeah, we are also a technical center to provide support and promote cooperation. So my question for you, not question, my suggestion for you. So it's just join us and work with us. So you can actually make your station as a EANET station. So you can increase the visibility of your data and share among with our EANET other data. So to make it more useful and visible. And also you can share your expertise, your knowledge, and even your instruments go through our EANET projects or EANET capacity building. So we have already done a lot of things that we, yeah, successful. So that is my quick thought. Thank you very much again.
Thank you so much, Professor Meng Fan. So this is the end of our session. Thank you very much for joining and enjoy your lunch.